ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadian ke jingger par ki bahayeng ba Marshal Marwen bla Shah banno haki sendrum Ñiut bla lum thop hapo Marten ke bere ke jaka brenyon usembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba snyau bhalang dhar ba badru yagatnat kampen roisor ula pinpau ba ka sarkar ka nyarap biang ban pershangwa de kemet jongte urang ba habe kran mekla pathai khubor le tho ba ka tege jingja ke jingja ka ba omshim la poi perkhat bat hadu ka ne ka kenti ba minta omshim pat la lap satya yu ba Marshal na ka tege jaka brenyon ha Marten Shushu ba snyau bhalang ulayat ho bagi Klumar Jingmut lau ni ubri uhap shishane but on siyo jingtip namar kumbalong hadu minta kasngi omshim lalap no but the officer ki nyai beteng ban wat but on sepentip ru Shah ki bahayeng
It's a very unfortunate incident, so we are yet to find out the body whether it is there or not. So even the family of that thing, so they request us again for please try to look it for another tomorrow, one more day. So we are connecting with them. So till now it's not yet found. So even we are confused whether really the man was falls under that things or not. We are yet to know because till today there is no body was found. So my officers and staff, so they will continue again to another one day tomorrow, and we will coordinate with the family accordingly. You see, as of now, nobody knows whether the actual incident was there or not, because nobody see and nobody just they just say because he used to come there to take all these to collect all these things. So it's just thinking. So we are unable to say exactly what is what. So kindly bear with us. So our officer and the team that really work hard to find whether it's really the incident was took place there or maybe somewhere we don't know. So even I told my officer so that I want to give his phone number to the police department. Please track it at least during the times of happening. Where is he? So we are here to receive all this report also. Reportedly missing, and but the only thing that his friend said usually they were there every day to collect the scalpel. That is the only presumption as of now. So let us see for another few days, few hours. Nobody can say that he's inside the carpet. So that's why we are to keep digging the garbage. That is the reason. Let's see first after a few days. Let's see first.